Introducing the CAT Expedition Motorhome, the ultimate off-road luxury beast. This is not just another motorhome. This is the CAT Expedition Motorhome, a beast built to conquer the toughest terrains while offering the comfort and luxury you expect. If you're an adventurer who refuses to compromise on performance or style, this is the vehicle for you. Let's dive into what makes the CAT Expedition Motorhome one of the most extreme and capable vehicles on the market today. The first thing that grabs your attention when you see the CAT Expedition Motorhome is its commanding presence. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and tactical. With a 6x6 wheel configuration, it exudes strength and dominance. Each of its massive wheels is ready to tackle whatever obstacle comes its way, from rocky mountains to deep mud pits. This motorhome isn't just built to drive, it's built to dominate. The body features a rugged military-grade design, with a combination of khaki and olive green tones that reflect its off-road capabilities while still looking sleek and modern. This is a vehicle that doesn't need to boast. It lets its design speak for itself. Up front, the iconic CAT logo dominates the grille, highlighting the brand's rugged reliability and toughness. The heavy-duty bumper comes equipped with tow hooks and a built-in winch, meaning you're always ready for any off-road recovery mission. The front end is also protected by reinforced armor, ensuring that no matter where your journey takes you, you'll be safe from the toughest of conditions. The lighting system on the CAT Expedition Motorhome is no ordinary setup. A full-length LED light bar spans the roof, casting a wide beam of light that will guide you through the darkest nights, whether you're in the desert, the mountains, or the forest. Along with the spotlights mounted on the bumper, you can be sure that no trail will be too dark to navigate. The side LED lights accentuate the tactical lines of the motorhome, creating an illuminated profile that stands out. These lights are as functional as they are aesthetic, offering excellent visibility without compromising on design. This is a motorhome built to perform. Under the hood, the CAT Expedition Motorhome packs a powerful engine designed to tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're climbing steep inclines, fording streams, or powering through a sandy dune, the motorhome's high-torque engine ensures you'll have the muscle to get through. The suspension system is engineered for the roughest trails. With heavy-duty shock absorbers and reinforced axle systems, this vehicle can handle even the toughest off-road conditions while maintaining comfort. This means that no matter how bumpy the trail or rough the road, you'll experience a smooth, controlled ride. The 6x6 configuration ensures superior traction, which means this motorhome will power through any kind of road condition, be it mud, snow, gravel, or rocks with ease. And with locking differentials and a sophisticated drivetrain, you'll have the confidence to tackle the wildest environments, knowing this motorhome can go where others can't. Inside the CAT Expedition Motorhome, the design blends simplicity and functionality. While the exterior is all about power and ruggedness, the interior is about providing a comfortable environment to unwind after a long day of exploring. The living area is sleek and minimal, with ergonomically designed seating that combines durability with comfort. The color palette matches the exterior with dark gray tones and soft beige upholstery, creating a calm, welcoming atmosphere that balances the motorhome's rugged exterior. The modular seating faces each other, promoting social interaction while offering plenty of space for relaxation. The compact central table is perfect for meals, drinks, or as a place to spread out your maps and plan your next adventure. LED lighting embedded in the ceiling adds a soft glow, creating a cozy ambience perfect for winding down at night. The cockpit of the CAT Expedition Motorhome is a high-tech, digital command center that's designed to give you complete control over every aspect of the motorhome. The entire dashboard is digitally controlled, with a massive touchscreen that allows you to manage everything from navigation to media to climate control. The steering wheel features multifunctional controls for ease of access while driving, with an integrated CAT logo at the center representing the vehicle's rugged pedigree. The seats are premium, designed for comfort during long drives, with high-tech adjustments for optimal ergonomics. The digital display provides a crystal-clear view of important vehicle data, including speed, fuel levels, terrain settings, and even camera feeds from the motorhome's exterior. The advanced camera system gives you multiple views of your surroundings, ensuring you can navigate tight spaces, rugged terrain, or narrow trails with ease. Whether you're parking at a campsite or driving through dense forests, the cockpit's layout ensures that everything you need is at your fingertips. When you're living on the road, a fully functional kitchen is essential. The kitchen in the CAT Expedition Motorhome is designed to offer everything you need without taking up too much space. It features sleek black countertops, a modern induction cooktop, and a compact integrated sink that make cooking on the go a breeze. Hidden storage ensures that your cooking essentials are neatly tucked away, keeping the space tidy. The dining area is compact but comfortable, with 2 stools neatly placed at the kitchen counter. It's a perfect space for enjoying meals or even just sipping coffee while taking in the views from the panoramic windows. The bedroom is where you'll truly unwind and recharge. With a large fixed bed, it's designed to give you plenty of space for a good night's sleep after a long day. The soft gray bedding and high-quality pillows ensure maximum comfort, while ambient lighting sets a calm, relaxing tone. Integrated shelves by the bed provide easy access to your essentials, and subtle lighting ensures you can enjoy the peaceful ambience without being disturbed by bright lights. The bathroom in the CAT Expedition Motorhome follows the same minimalist design approach, but with a focus on comfort and practicality. With a compact wet room layout, it includes a modern shower, toilet, and sink, all designed to be functional and easy to maintain. Dark matte gray panels on the walls give the bathroom an industrial feel, while gold LED lighting adds warmth and a touch of luxury. The CAT Expedition Motorhome is equipped with plenty of storage space, both inside and out. In addition to the interior cabinets and shelves, there's also a roof rack for storing extra gear like bikes or kayaks, and plenty of underbelly storage for tools and other essentials. Whether you're going on a short weekend trip or a month-long adventure, this motorhome has space to accommodate all your gear. The CAT Expedition Motorhome is the ultimate vehicle for anyone who refuses to compromise on luxury or capability. With its rugged exterior, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, this motorhome is built for those who want to experience the world on their terms. Whether you're driving through city streets or traversing remote wilderness, the CAT Expedition Motorhome is your ultimate companion for adventure. It offers the perfect blend of rugged durability and luxury living, ensuring you can go anywhere and enjoy your journey in comfort. This is more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle designed for the modern adventurer who knows what it takes to live life on the edge while enjoying the finer things in life.